In a silent, endless desert, a single drop was born. Droppy. He looks up at the gray sky, dreaming of life to come. Step by step, Droppy walks toward the light on the horizon. With every step, the ground begins to breathe again. Streams of water start to flow beneath his feet. The sleeping world slowly awakens with his touch. From the ripples, tiny pebble creatures appear. They laugh and play, welcoming Droppy with joy. Their laughter carried by golden light. As dusk falls, Droppy stares into the calm water. Together they run along the growing river. In his reflection, the mountains whisper his name. Through the snow and cold winds, Droppy climbs higher. His soft blue glow cuts through the frozen silence. He touches the icy lake and cracks of light appear. Beneath the ice, life begins to stir once more. Under the dancing aurora, Droppy stands in awe. The colors of the sky fill his heart with peace. Deep inside the glowing cave, Droppy finds the source. A living crystal beating with the rhythm of life. The crystal bursts into light, releasing rivers and forests. The world is reborn through Droppy's courage. At sunrise, Droppy smiles upon the living earth. His journey ends, but the flow of life goes on forever.